Hello guys, today we are going to analyze GBPUSD for entire this level week, and as you guys can see right now we are in the daily time frame. So as you guys know, we are in a downtrend in the daily time frame because we did change of character and we break the structure here. So we confirm that we are in a downtrend on the daily time frame. So we have some ideas for entire this week. That if you just remember, in my previous video I said that we have a chance to see that price go up into this supply zone here or this one. If we see any good reach points, we can go for a short trade, or also price can come down to sweep this liquidity, also fill this gap. And if we see any good entry point here into these dimensions, we can go for a long trade. And also, we just break the structure here again, and we confirm that we are still in the downtrend. But as you guys can see right now, price just go up into this supply zone, and this supply zone, as you guys can see, couldn't push the price down very well for us. I expected that this supply zone pushed the price down for me into this dimension here to give me a chance to go for a long trade here if I see any good entry point. So price just pushed this supply zone just pushed the price down to fill this gap here, just fill a little bit gap here. And we also have the equal low liquidity here. If I go in a lower time frame, you can see this again. So in this week, I can tell you that we will see that price will keep going up into this supply zone, and we can go for a short trade here. But we need to really be careful because we have this equal high liquidity here. So maybe if we, for example, open our short position here, maybe we will see that price just sweep this equal high liquidity with a huge shadow, and after that price start to keep going down. So you guys really need to be careful about the things if you wanted to go for a short trade here. Or another concept, let's say that price reject this supply zone, okay, and price just want to continue to go up. So in this case, if we see that price just closed, actually we see that candle close above this shadow here, we say that we have the change of character right now. So price will keep continue to go up to sweep this equal low liquidity, sorry, equal high liquidity. And also we have this supply zone here, and I guess that price will continue to tap into this supply zone here or this one. And after that we can go for another short trade. Actually in that time I will upload some new videos for you on, for example, Wednesday or Thursday, to give you some new ideas for GBPUSD. So we have this concept in the daily time frame for GBPUSD. Or another case, let's say that maybe we'll see that for example price just wanted to go down from this supply zone here. Let's say that price respecting to this supply zone, we will see that price sweep this equal low liquidity here, also fill these gaps, and we can go for a long trade here if we see any good entry points. Actually we just had this hidden daily dimension here, and that's the reason why we just see this pin bar, and actually the morning star here, and after that price just go up rapidly into this supply zone here, and it was the reason for this pin bar. So you guys really need to note this hidden daily dimensions, supply zones. These hidden daily or supply zones are really important for us. So let me just remove this one. So let's go in a 4-hour time frame. The first thing that I need to mention for you guys is that right now in a 4-hour time frame we are in an uptrend. As you guys can see, we are in an uptrend. We confirmed again that we are in an uptrend. So in this week, as you guys can see, price just come down to fill this gap, and also price just fill this gap a little bit too. We also have this equal low liquidity here, and we can say that maybe we will see that price keep continue to go up, as I told you, in the daily time frame to also break this high here. So again we confirm that we are in an uptrend in the 4-hour time frame structure. So price just like to go up until a price just sweep this trendline structural liquidity here. This trendline structural liquidity is really important for us, and we will see that price respect into this one of these supply zone here. Okay, so after that, if we see an entry point, we can go for a short trade. Actually in that time I will upload a video for you guys to understand the market, to go for a short trade or not. So I also can say that we have another supply zone here, but I didn't mark that because we just have this trendline structural liquidity. So we also can mark these candles as another supply zone. and this supply zone is really good, but the reason I didn't mark was because this trend line structural liquidity. So maybe price, keep going down after we tap into this one too, because this supply zone, as you guys can see, created after we just sweep this liquidity here and push the price down for us, and this kind of stuff. So we have these concepts for our time frame too. Just mark these supply zones for yourself. Be careful about this trend line structural liquidity, and also know if we break this high here, we confirm that again we are in an uptrend. So price will continue to go into one of these supply zones until we see any entry point. We can wait to go for a short trade, and you need to mention that price just want to sweep this trend line structural liquidity. So let's say another case, maybe we will see that after again price just tap into this one, we see that maybe price respect into this supply zone. Price will continue to go down to sweep this equal low liquidity, also fill this gap here, and if we any good entry points, we can go for a long trade here or into this lovely demon zone here. So again, we need to be patient to see any good entry points for our trades. So let's see what we have in a 1 hour time frame. So as you guys can see, let me just remove this one. We have this gap here, and this is huge gap for us. We can say we have this demon zone in a daily time frame, also this demon zone, and let's say that we have this equal high liquidity, that prices sweep this swing liquidity here, and also prices want to go to sweep this one too. So we will see that price will go into this 1 hour supply zone. I don't think that this one want to push the price down, but if you see that this one if you see that price respect into this supply zone here, you can go for a short trade. You can set your target, first target here, your second target, and your third target here. And yeah, this kind of stuff in a 1 hour time frame. Actually, we don't have any interesting things in a 1 hour time frame. As I told you, I just analyzed the 4 hour time frame, the daily time frame for you guys. I just give you some ideas and opinions for your trades, but you just need to mention these demon zones, this huge gap here for yourself, and just keep it in your mind for the 1 hour time frame and GBPUSD. I also, as I told you, upload a video to give you some new ideas and information about markets, and I will tell you the good price that you can go for a short trade too. So I hope you guys just like this video, and if you just like it, just share it with your friends, and have a great rest of your day.